Hello you guys, and welcome again in my channel Spanglish. If you don't know me, I'm Tasnim, aka Sarah, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question of how to learn English completely by yourself, and especially speaking English. Let's get started. Step number one, I want you to create an Instagram account that will be the place for you to document your learning journey. And here is an example of my account of learning Spanish.
¿Quiero reservar una habitación, por favor? Claro que sí.
What's the point of having this Instagram account? Number one, you're going to track your learning and to see the progress that is going to happen from day 1 until day 30. And another thing is you're going to create a habit for yourself. Step number 2, divide the tasks of the things you are going to learn. Divide them into 4 skills. For example, day 1 will be for listening or watching a video. Day 2 will be for writing about this topic. Day 3 is going to be reading, and day 4 is going to be speaking. If you want, I already create challenges like these on my Instagram account, Spanglish with Sarah. I will attach the links in the descriptions below. Tip number 3. What are you really going to study? Let's divide the topics according to your level. If you are a beginner, or you are starting from 0, you're going to study basic topics like family, numbers, hobbies, likes and dislikes, what do you do every day, what did you do yesterday, simple things like going to a restaurant, shopping, seeing your friends, and so on. I will take one topic and apply the 4 days on this topic. Imagine you want to study about family. The first thing you're going to do on day 1 is to go to YouTube, type the word family, look at the list of the videos, choose the one that you like, watch it, write down the new words to you. On day 2, which is basically the writing day, you're going to write sentences about your family. Write from 4 to 5 sentences using the simple present. And on day 3, find something to read about family, a short story, maybe a post, and learn new words from it. On the last day, speaking. You will tell me I have no one to speak with, which is okay. You're going to speak by yourself. What you're going to do is you're going to get your camera out and talk about your family for 1 minute. You can talk about the things you have written down, or you can just describe your family in simple sentences. Tip number 4. Remember, we created the Instagram account for a reason, which is documenting your journey. You either fill in this account day by day by creating posts and writing short captions, or you choose one day after the 4 days are done and just write a post saying how happy you are by finishing the first 4 days. But the speaking day, you have to upload a video of yourself speaking. If you are intermediate or advanced, I suggest that you fill in all this Instagram account with videos to track your progress from day 1 to day 30, because your level is quite intermediate or advanced, which means you can talk about anything you want. But the idea here is to get yourself used to listening to yourself speak in English and breaking the fear of speaking it.
Hice muchas cosas para disfrutar mi fin de semana y sí, estoy un poco triste.
And that's it, you guys, for today's video. I hope that you have found it useful. If you need my feedback on your learning journey, please DM me on my Instagram account, Spanglish with Sarah. I'd be more than happy to give you feedback. And if you like more videos like this, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Goodbye.